Solubility is the amount of a compound that has dissolved in water. For Chem 12, solubility only refers to ionic compounds regarding different types of salts. All ionic compounds will dissolve in water to at least some extent. Once the compound has dissolved as much as it can in water and a precipitate has formed, the resulting solution is said to be saturated. If a precipitate hasn't formed, the solution is not saturated. This means that if you pour off the liquid from a saturated solution and leave the precipitate behind, the runoff is not considered to be saturated. This basically means that the crystallization reaction must equal the dissolving reaction. It is important to note the solute is what the solvent is dissolved into. When trying to reduce a salt's solubility, you would look at the salt you're using and add one of the ions that the salt is made of to prevent more of it from dissolving. There are three main solubility equations: formula equations, complete ionic equations, and net ionic equations. Each equation shows different information regarding the same reaction. Solubility product, or KEQ, is the same as KSP. The only difference is that it specifically is used to refer to solubility. When a substance is said to have a high KSP value, it is very soluble, meaning it dissolves easily. When it has a low KSP value, it doesn't dissolve very easily. Just like equilibrium, only temperature can affect a salt's solubility. This is because increasing heat will prevent the dissolution part of the reaction, preventing crystals from forming. Solubility is often used in industry to precipitate wanted or unwanted chemicals from a solution. For example, when trying to gather pure substances, they add various chemicals to precipitate out unwanted material until the solution is pure, and they don't have to worry about contaminants in it.